Welcome to my channel. So this is my today's analysis and forecast for gold. But before I do that, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you want me to teach you how I analyze gold, how I trade gold, the link to my website is below. Go to my website and register for my mentorship. I will teach you what it takes to be a successful forex trader. And guys, kindly join my Telegram channel if you have not joined, if you are watching this from YouTube, because I do post my trades on my Telegram channel. Because any trade that I analyze here, whenever I see a confirmation on that trade, I always post it on my Telegram channel. So the link to my Telegram channel is below. So click it and join my Telegram channel. Let's trade together. So today's analysis, we bought gold already yesterday and is in profit right now. And the GBP that we supposed to sold yesterday is my fault. Yeah, as the fear of losing money is the reason why I didn't take that trade, because I saw a confirmation. But when they release news, the news is what broke the resistance I was looking at to sell. So when the news broke it, then it closed and came back to retest it. I didn't take the trade because I believe that sometimes news might push market to one certain level and reject back and go back to where it's coming from. So when news broke that resistance, my thought was this trade will reject, the GBP USD will reject back. It might not continue the sell because normal before the news, candlesticks keep hitting on that resistance I was looking at for. It will hit on it and reject back, just keep dropping a little bit shadows on that resistance. It didn't take it out. So then they released news massively broke it and closed below it. And that particular news candlestick that broke it even can somehow reject. So that rejection, all of them is what made me not to take the trade when it retested back to the resistance I was looking at for. Then it later buy up, but if we say we sold it, it will not hit our stop loss. It's like 3 pips difference to where our stop loss is. Then from there started dropping, and now it has gone over 1 to 2, and we didn't take the trade. But it is what it is. There is another level I'm looking at on 4 hours time frame now. If you take out that low and retest it, then that's the resistance we are going to look for a sell for GBP USD again. So let's go to the analysis, guys.
This is analysis with gold. This is daily time frame. So our gold closed yesterday, candle closed with buy, and today's candle is already dropping sell, but coming back to this support we bought zone gold yesterday. So let's see what it's going to do. But this is 4 hours time frame. On this 4 hours time frame, it went up yesterday, give us profit, like enough profit, almost getting to 1-to-1, and just massive dropping now. I don't know the cause of this drop, but I believe that it will reject on this trend line, or if it didn't reject on this trend line, then it will come back to our entering point. So I believe that it will reject from entry point and keep buying up, because gold is in uptrend. So that's what my belief is, and this is the 15-minute time frame. So when gold take out this high yesterday and come back to retest, that's when I call out the trade, and it's seeing small profit right now, but it was almost 1-to-1 before this drop. So right now on gold, there is no new setup, because on this 4 hours time frame, nothing is really happening here now. I've not seen any new setup, because if I see new setup maybe I might still take it. Then the only way I might think of selling gold now is if this gold drop and take out this low, then I'll start looking at this resistance to sell gold. You guys know that we're already buying it, so there is no other setup for buy. I believe that we might see another setup for buy. Maybe if this gold drop more candle and go up and break it, then you might use this support we are going to see here to buy gold again. But let me not just as in forecast what have not happened or what I don't know how it might happen. Let's just allow market to give us more data for me to be able to know what to do next. So this is 15. This is GBP USD. So I missed a sell yesterday on GBP USD. Not that I missed the sell, I saw it, but I don't know. The setup wasn't that clear for me. That's why I didn't take that sell. And now that thing have gone over 1 to 2. As in it's painful. So this is one as in daily time frame. You can see that it's dropping. It's dropping. So this is 4 hours time frame. So this is another zone might look for sell. This is the zone I was looking for sell yesterday, which gold went there. Well, I told you guys, I deleted what I drew. I told you guys that it might not get to this zone, but on 15 minutes time frame, there is a zone here. I'll show you. If I get to 15 minute time frame, I will show you guys. So we sold good. There is a confirmation there yesterday, but I didn't take it. So I will show you guys and the reason why. But they released news, and that news is because I didn't take that sell. So now another setup I will be looking at for here is if gold take out this low with the body, you're already taking it out with shadow. I would like you to take it out with body. If you close below there with body, if you close below here with body, then I will use this zone as the resistance that I will look to sell GBP USD again. Sorry guys if I'm mentioning gold. So if you break this low with the body, then this resistance is the next one we are going to look at to sell GBP USD. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So this is the level where I'm supposed to buy the GBP, sell the GBP USD yesterday. But so you know, I did this analysis. I was telling you guys that if you take out this low, I might look for sell, and I still told you guys it might still go up to test this resistance, which it didn't go up to test this resistance then, and it didn't give any clear confirmation here until when it get to this level and rejected from a shadow on 4 hours time frame. And then that shadow was from 4 hours time frame. It rejected from that shadow and started dropping. So I wanted to sell this gold, this GBP USD, if market break below this moving average and retest it, and this one came to it, and this moving average, you can see this level, this lower high here, because this is 15 minutes time frame. This is the low because there is a 2 second candlestick here. So this is the lower low and this is the higher high. So my thought is that if we break this lower low here and break this 50 moving average as well and retest it, I will sell it here, which this particular one came break this one, but it didn't break this one, then close below this particular one came out and start buying, and this one came and still test this, it didn't close below it, it later reject and close above it. So when they release the news just drop. Then this rejection is what kind of got me tired, because the way it rejected, my thought is this news is what made this thing drop, and the buy might continue back, because now that news can drop market and everything will reject back. So that's my thought. This thing will definitely reject back. I wish it did, but if I sold it when it came back to respect this, when it came back to retest on it, if I sold it, my stop loss will be somewhere here. It didn't take us out. It's remaining like 2 or 3 pips to take us out. Because yes, it did what I was thinking, but it didn't take out this high. But definitely my stop loss will be somewhere here. This high, that's where my stop loss will be. So my stop loss will definitely be somewhere here. So it didn't take us out and later rejected and dropped. Then since then, so I've even gone over more than 1 to 2. But definitely you guys know that my stop loss will definitely be here. And it has gone over 1 to 2 days since they're even getting to 1 to 3. So I miss the sell. It's as in it's just my own personal issue because this is what they call as in what is it called? Someone not flowing his trading plan or trading setup. I didn't flow it up because they say fear of losing money will make you to lose money. That's what happened here. Because I was afraid of this news might reject back. I don't want to lose this money. If I enter this, I might lose it. So that fear of losing the trade is why I didn't take it. And now I lost what I was supposed to make yesterday. So sometimes it's good whenever your setup complete, take your trade and leave it. Let whatever wants to happen. Because as long as your win rate is high or win rate is over 50% and you're targeting 1 to 2, no matter how it is, no matter whether I lose the trade or not, at the end of the day, you still be in profit. So that's another mindset we're supposed to have because I lost this trade yesterday. So to make money here, but it is what it is. We look for another setup. So what I explained to on 4 hours time frame, this is the low here. So if gold on if 4 hours time frame close below this low, at least 4 hours time frame will close by I think by 10 because 4 hours time frame I think to close by 10. So if you close below this low with body, then this zone is the resistance we are going to use to look for sell. So let's see whether it's to close below here in 4 hours time frame. Sorry guys, because this sell is supposed to be a win for us yesterday, but that's what it is, man. So let's see how things will play out today. Stay safe.